Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Einstein Bros Bagels app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Einstein Bros Bagels is a food and beverage app designed to make ordering your favorite bagels, sandwiches, and coffee faster and more convenient. The app allows users to browse the full menu, customize orders, and place pickup or curbside orders from nearby locations. It's available on both iOS and Android and also offers an integrated rewards program to help users earn points and unlock free items with every purchase. The app's main feature is its Einstein Bros reward system, which lets users collect points for every order and redeem them for free food and exclusive discounts. It also provides personalized offers, early access to seasonal items, and a store locator for easy navigation. Users can save their favorite orders for quick reordering, making the experience smooth and efficient. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean design, fast ordering process, and reward benefits. It's especially convenient for busy mornings when you want to skip the line. However, some users have reported occasional app glitches, missing rewards, or login issues. Others wish for better delivery integration in areas where pickup is the only option. In summary, the Einstein Bros Bagels app may be worth using if you're a regular customer who enjoys earning rewards, placing quick pickup orders, and accessing exclusive deals. However, if you prefer in-person orders or live outside major service areas, you may not benefit as much from it. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.